Hi YouTube. So my dad bought this new Mercedes and I thought that while he's on his business trip I would clean it for him. And those are all the wipes that I cleaned it with. But then I got the idea to just change the oil for him because he said that he wanted to change the oil in it and how easy it was. So I thought that I would just do it for him while he was away. And these are all the buckets of oil. All the tools just came in the mail. And we have an oil extractor and all the rest of the tools here. And they just came in the mail today. What do you guys think? Is it a good thing that I'm changing the oil for my dad? Leave a comment down below. And then I put the tube in the dip strip. Right there. Now you can see how the oil is being sucked out from the tube. And it's making its way down. Now while we're waiting for the oil to come out, we can start on the filter. This is the dirty part, so now I'm just gonna put on these gloves. I got a special 14-flute wrench to help take out the filter, and I got my gloves on. Now I'm gonna start to open it, and I have all this stuff here because it gets dirty when we're doing this. Now I'm gonna take out the filter, and now I'm just gonna put it in here and let it sit there. Now you have to remove the filter and change the O-rings. To change the O-rings, I have to set up picks to help me take them out. So my dad ordered this filter from FCP Euro. It comes with a new set of O-rings and a new filter. So my dad was telling me how we can return this old filter to FCP Euro, and it has a life warranty, so we can get our money back. I can't believe how dirty the old filter is compared to that one. So now we're just gonna take out this old filter, and we're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, ship it back. Now I'm gonna wipe it down so most of the oil comes off. These O-rings are really hard and ready to break, so we're just gonna take them off. So I took off the first 3 O-rings, and I'm taking off the biggest one. And the ones before were super hard, but this one's really rubber. Now I'm putting on the third one. So I'm going to use this pick to gently stretch it in place. There we go, now it's on. The third one is on. Now I'm going to do the last one. That goes right here. Got all the O-rings on, and now we can put the filter back in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put the new filter back in just like that. Now I'm gonna put it back in. So now I'm gonna use the wrench to tighten it. It doesn't have to be crazy tight, but it just has to be snug. times so that it's snug but not super tight. Okay, now it's pretty snug, so we're just gonna take it off. So now all we have to do is let the rest of the oil pump out, and then when that's finished, okay, so I just got finished draining out all the oil with the extractor, and now we're gonna get ready to put new oil in. So I'm gonna put the dipstick back in. There we go. So we're gonna take the cap, the oil fill cap off. There we go. Now we're gonna put this funnel on to put the new oil in. Okay, so now we have 0W40 fully synthetic motor oil that we're gonna use to fill up my my dad's new car. So we got this from FCP Euro, and guess what? We have a lifetime warranty. So when I'm done emptying this one, and I'll just use the old oil to refill this big thing, and I'll return it to get my money back. Because this has a lifetime warranty from FCP Euro. So we're gonna add 5 liters, and then we're gonna add a little bit more after checking the oil. So my dad's car uses about 8.5 liters of oil. I added 5, and now I'm gonna use the 6th one. Okay, so we finished filling up the 8 liters of oil in those big buckets to send them back to. So we're gonna send those back to FCP Euro, and I checked the dipstick to and it was halfway, so that means that we're good. So now we're done. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button and turn your notifications on, and make sure to comment down below and share.